Hola, ¿cómo estás? Hi, how are you? This is Anna Gabriella. Say hello.
Hola.
And James. And J and G. For J is for James, and G is for
Gabriel.
Gabriella. Don't tell me. Tell them.
Yeah.
Yeah. And we are eating some food here tonight that Anna Gabriella just created out of nothing. Literally, no money. We have no money, no US dollars, no pesos. We have nothing. And she took some food, some pasta, and peppers, and what is this?
Culantro.
Cilantro, and what is this?
Corn.
Corn. We got a little corn,
Chicken.
and then we have some chicken. There's some chicken here, pollo, and she created a soup or sopas. Sopa in Spanish, and we're having some dinner, and we have nothing. We have no money. We have nothing. We're let me show you a picture. We're staying in a little condo hotel. You got the kitchen over here. You got the bedroom over here. There's Anna Gabriella's bags. Here's my bags. More bags. And we have a TV. Here's the TV. We have cable and movies, and they're in English and Spanish. It's a normal little small apartment. Here's the bathroom. Let me show you the bathroom. And what we want to show you is that we're living a lifestyle of complete happiness and freedom and peace, and we're happy. We're happy. Are you happy?
Sí, mucho.
She's happy. Mucho happy. We're happy. Eating a very inexpensive meal of soup. I think this meal costs us maybe, I don't know, like $2, maybe $3 US. And we're in we're in Mexico on the Caribbean Ocean. We're 6 blocks from the beach. And we're just hanging out, having fun. We're relaxing, we're having fun, we're happy. No money, no expensive Rolex, no Gucci pocketbook, no Louis Vuitton, no fancy Mercedes-Benz or BMW or Rolls-Royce or Bentley, no mucho grande casa, no big house. And we're happy with zero, with nothing. We're happy. We're amazingly happy. See it? Please say yes.
Sí.
Okay, good. And here, I know we're hungry. We're going to eat now. But if you guys would like to learn, we have a system that we use every day, every morning, every day, every night. And it's a system. It's all mental. And we create happiness every day. It has nothing to do with money, nothing to do with houses, nothing to do with mansions and making millions of dollars or driving Lamborghinis or Ferraris or all this other bullshit that you see other people on the internet showing you they're living this amazing life with all this money. We literally right now have nothing, and we're happy. We're happy here. We're happy in our heart, our corazon. We're happy. And we want to show you how. We want to show you how to do this. There's a system we use every day, and it's a little complicated, but it's simple. It's very simple. Simplicico. Simple. And if you are interested, all you have to do is comment below this video or somewhere here. If you're on YouTube, you can subscribe to our channel. You can click and go watch a video, a webinar. I have a webinar that we've created to show you exactly what we do to create a life of happiness. We're happy. If you are not happy, if there's something in your life that's missing, you're miserable, you've got millions of dollars, you've got a great business, you've got cars, you've got houses, you've got you've got everything, but you're not happy. We have nothing right now. I'm telling you right now, we have soup, we have some Coca-Cola. Well, mine has a little vodka. Hers has nothing. And we actually went out last night and partied with some friends, and we went to a nightclub, and we got a little crazy. So we're a little hungover today, but we're happy. That's what life's all about. If you're interested, I want you to click on the button up here, subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also click over here or over here. I'm going to put a button that says watch my webinar. And you can also comment, just comment below and say, yes, I'm interested. I want to talk to you guys live, and we'll get you on the phone. And what we offer is what's called lifestyle coaching. We coach people how to live an amazing life with peace, freedom, and happiness. And that is everything. Familia and having a great life, guys. Okay? All right, keep watching our videos. We'll say goodbye, adios
Adios.
for now. And we'll see you on the next video.